Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring the Hana instance is online and your account has system or backup admin privileges. Once done, open Hana Studio and switch to the Systems view. Right-click the target system and select Backup and Recovery to begin. Make sure to pick the appropriate backup type, data, or catalog, because that determines what gets restored later. Also choose the destination, local file system, NFS mount, or S3 compatible storage, and confirm available space before moving forward. Now you configure the backup details. Select full versus incremental based on recovery point objectives. You can schedule or run immediately. Then choose log backup behavior, continuous or periodic, to capture transaction logs between full backups, which affects recovery time. Make sure to enable compression to save space and optional encryption for security. Pick a key management approach you can access during restore. Finally, set retention policies so old backups are pruned automatically. Execute the backup job and watch the progress pane. You should monitor logs for warnings or failures as the job runs. Once completed, verify success by checking job status and performing a catalog consistency check or a small test restore to an isolated system. This confirms both data and logs are usable. If something goes wrong, first check permissions on the backup destination, available disk space, Hana trace logs, and network access to remote storage. These are the most common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.